Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to discuss chapter 11 trigonometry. In that exercise 11.3, first question, evaluate first question, evaluate tan of 36 degrees, tan 36 degrees by cot 54 degrees. Okay, so this is the given question. See, the questions are based on T ratios, trigonometric ratios of a complementary angles. Okay, now what I am doing on the board, observe carefully. I am writing tan 36. I am taking tan 36 here. Tan 36 is equals to, that is tan of 36 degrees means the problems based on T ratios of a complementary angles. So we can write it as 90 minus 54 degrees. Yes or no? 36 we can write it as what now? Tan means tan only. 36 degrees we can write it as 90 minus 54 degrees. We have a formula, that is tan 90 minus theta, tan 90 degrees minus theta, that is equals to what? That is cot theta. Yes, tan 90 minus theta is equals to cot theta. You observe here, it is in the form of tan 90 minus theta. Under theta place lemon 54 degrees. Then we can write it as tan 90 minus theta ante cot theta ga rayachu. So that is cot theta ante that is 54 degrees. Okay, now we take this one, tan 36 degrees by cot 54 degrees is equals to, tan 36 degrees means you can write it as cot 54 degrees. Yes, by already in the denominator part cot 54 degrees is cot 54, cot 54 cancel means the value is what, Nana? That is 1. Okay, now see the next question in this one, that is given. I am taking third question, cosecant 31 degrees minus secant 59 degrees. First main third one, cosecant 31 degrees minus secant 59 degrees. So that is our wish. You can take this one or this one. Okay, I am taking this one, secant 59 degrees. That is sec 59 degrees. Okay, secant 59 degrees is equals to, that is secant of 59 means we can write it as 90 minus 31 degrees. Okay, 90 minus 31 degrees. 59 degrees we can write it as 90 minus 31 degrees. Here one formula is applicable. What is that one? That is secant of 90 minus theta, that is equals to cosecant of theta. Okay, secant of 90 minus theta is equals to cosecant of theta. See now, secant of 90 minus theta means that is secant of 90 minus 31 degrees. So we can write it as cosecant theta. Cosecant theta ante theta plus 31 degrees. Now usually you write this one, cosecant 31 degrees minus secant 59 degrees. So ikkada cosecant 31 degrees means usually same, minus secant 59 degrees means in this place, din place lo em rayachu, cosecant 31 degrees. Okay, now cosecant 31 degrees minus cosecant 31 degrees, that is equals to what? 0. So the value of this one, that is 0. Okay, now In this main only one more question, that is sixth one. Question number 5. The question is given tan 26 degrees into tan 64 degrees. Tan 26 degrees into tan 64 degrees. Okay. So this is the question. So what I am doing here, I am taking tan 26 degrees, or wish you can take the first one or second one. Okay. This time I am taking the first one. Tan 26 degrees is equals to, tan means tan only, tan ratio. 26 degrees we can write it as 90 degrees minus 64 degrees. That is 90 minus 64. Okay. 90 degrees minus 64 degrees. Here the formula is applicable. What is the formula? Tan of 90 minus theta. Tan of 90 degrees minus theta. Tan of 90 minus theta is equals to, that is what now? Cot theta. So tan of 90 minus theta means 90 minus 64. This one we can write it as cot of theta. Cot theta. And then theta plus 10 64. Okay. Now I am writing this one. Tan 26 degrees into tan 64 degrees. Tan 26 degrees means in this place we can write cot 64. Okay. So cot 64 degrees into tan 64 degrees. Okay. In reciprocal relation we would have a formula, that is tan theta is equals to 1 by cot theta. Okay na? In reciprocal relation, tan theta is equals to what na? We can express it as 1 by cot theta. Okay. Now already ikkada cot 64 undi. Cot 64 degrees into tan 64 ante tan theta. That is we can express it as 1 by cot theta, means tan 64 ni mana ela rayachu 1 by cot 64 degrees. Now cot 64 cancel means the answer is 1. Okay. So this is the required answer for this question. Let us go for the next main. The question is given, second main, show that, second main first one, tan 48 degrees into tan 16 degrees. Tan 48 degrees into tan 16 degrees into tan 42 degrees into tan 74 degrees is equals to 1. What is the given question? Show that tan 48 degrees into tan 16 degrees into tan 42 degrees into tan 74 degrees is equals to 1. So LHS part is equals to RHS అని చూపించాలి. Okay. I am taking the LHS part first of all. LHS part. What is the LHS part? Tan 48 degrees into tan 16 degrees into tan 42 degrees into tan 74 degrees. Okay. We know, first of all I am taking here tan 48 తీసుకుంటున్నా. Okay. Tan 48 degrees is equals to, tan means tan only, 48 degrees means we can write it as 90 minus 42 degrees. Okay. Tan 48 degrees means we can write it as tan of 90 minus 42 degrees. ఇక్కడ ఏ ఫార్ములా యూజ్ అవుతుంది మనకి? tan of 90 minus theta, that is equals to cot theta. Yes, this is the useful formula. tan 90 minus theta means cot theta. So we can write it as cot of theta ante theta plus 42. In the same manner, this time I am taking tan 16 degrees. Okay, that is tan of 16 degrees means we can write it as 90 minus 74 degrees. Okay, 16 degrees means what? 90 minus 74 degrees. So again same formula, tan 90 minus theta means that is cot theta. So we can write it as tan 90 minus 74 degrees means that is cot 74 degrees. So in the place of these two, in rendezvous place lo I am going to substitute these values. Tan 48 means tan 48 degrees means that is cot 42 substitute chestunna. Cot 42 degrees into tan 16 degrees means I am going to substitute that is cot 74 degrees. Okay, into as usually here tan 42 is there and here tan 74 as usual ga rastunna. Is it clear, students? So in the place of tan 48 I am going to write cot 42. In the place of tan 16 degrees I am going to substitute, I am going to write the value cot 74. I written like this. We know that cot theta is equals to in reciprocal relation we can write it as 1 by tan theta. Okay na? Cot theta ni ela rayochu in reciprocal relation 1 by tan theta. So ikkada cot 42 means we can write it as 1 by tan 42 degrees into cot 74 means we can write it as 1 by tan 74 degrees into tan 42 means tan 42 only and tan 74 means tan 74 only. So clearly tan 42 cancel, tan 74 cancel. 1 into 1 ones are what? The total answer is 1. So clearly the LHS part is equals to what, Nana? 1 RHS part. Okay, so this is the required answer for this question. Okay students, now see the next one, the question number 4. The question is given, if tan A is equals to cot B, where A and B are acute angles, prove that A plus B is equals to 90 degrees. Okay, so the given data is given tan A is equals to cot B. Okay, and A and B are acute angles. Acute angles means we know that the angles which measure is above 0 degrees and below 90 degrees, between 0 and 90. Okay, and what is the required RTP? What we have to prove? That is A plus B is equals to 90 degrees. This is the required RTP. So we know tan A is equals to cot B is given. Okay, we would have a formula, that is tan A is equals to cot 90 minus A, cot 90 degrees minus A. What is the formula, Nana? The ratios of a complementary angles, tan A is equals to cot 90 minus A. Now in the place of tan A I am going to write this one, tan A plus lo cot 90 minus A rastunna. Cot of 90 degrees minus A is equals to RHS side already cot B is there. Okay, now both sides removing cot, LHS side RHS side, cot remove chestunna. Then 90 degrees minus A is equals to B. Minus A is transposed into RHS side. 90 degrees is equals to this side B is there. It is transposing to RHS side becomes plus. Therefore, we can write A plus B is equals to 90 degrees. Hence, proven. Okay. So, this is the required answer for this question. Thank you.